Between work schedules, school activities, errands, and family time, most households have little room for extra maintenance tasks. When it comes to home upgrades, convenience and durability matter just as much as style. Windows are a long-term investment, and choosing a low-maintenance option can make everyday life much easier. For busy families in Austin, vinyl windows offer a practical solution that combines performance, longevity, and minimal upkeep. No painting or staining required. Traditional wood windows often require regular painting or staining to maintain their appearance. Over time, exposure to sunlight and weather can cause fading, peeling, or chipping. Vinyl windows eliminate that concern entirely. In Austin homes, vinyl frames retain their color and finish without the need for sanding, repainting, or sealing. A simple cleaning routine keeps them looking fresh and polished year after year. Easy cleaning for active households. When life gets busy, no one wants to spend hours maintaining windows. Vinyl windows in Austin residences are designed for easy care. Most frames can be wiped clean with mild soap and water. Many models also feature tilt-in sashes, making it easier to clean both sides of the glass from inside the home. Durable and long-lasting materials. Durability is a major advantage for families who want long-term value. Vinyl windows are built to resist warping, cracking, and corrosion. In Austin homes, they hold up well under daily use and changing weather conditions. This durability means fewer repair concerns and less unexpected maintenance. Strong resistance to moisture exposure can lead to damage in certain window materials. Vinyl windows are naturally resistant to moisture-related issues. For Austin families, this means less worry about swelling, rot, or structural weakening over time. Energy efficiency with minimal effort. Modern vinyl windows are often paired with energy-efficient glass options and tight seals. In Austin households, this contributes to more stable indoor temperatures without additional effort. The low-maintenance frame design works alongside energy-efficient features to support everyday comfort. Fewer moving parts to maintain. Some window styles require frequent adjustments to tracks, pulleys, or hardware. Vinyl windows are designed with smooth operating mechanisms that require minimal attention. Austin homeowners appreciate the simplicity and reliability of a system that functions well without constant fine-tuning. Consistent appearance over time. A well-maintained home reflects pride of ownership. Vinyl windows in Austin properties maintain a consistent look without frequent touch-ups. Their fade-resistant finishes help preserve curb appeal while reducing maintenance responsibilities. Family-friendly practicality. Homes with children and pets require durable, dependable materials. Vinyl windows offer a sturdy frame that withstands everyday activity. Austin families benefit from windows that remain reliable without adding extra chores to their routine. Long-term cost savings. Low maintenance often translates into long-term financial benefits. By reducing the need for repainting, repairs, and ongoing upkeep, vinyl windows help Austin homeowners save both time and money over the years. A smart choice for busy lifestyles. Home improvements should simplify life, not complicate it. For busy families in Austin, vinyl windows provide the perfect balance of durability, ease of care, and energy-conscious performance. With no painting required, easy cleaning features, and long-lasting materials, vinyl windows support comfortable living without adding to your to-do list. Investing in low-maintenance vinyl windows means enjoying more time with family and less time worrying about home upkeep.